I'm Guy Sanchez, the Vice President Managing Broker with the Watson Realty Corporation in the Southwest Orlando office. I'm here today with one of our associates, Katherine Figueroa with the Championship Gate office, and we're going to be talking a little bit about a listing that she just listed in the
Lake Butler Estates community.
Perfect. All right. And I'm going to be asking her some questions about the property if I was a buyer coming in and wanting to know more about the area. And then afterwards, we're going to show you a preview of the home itself. So, Katherine, I have a question for you. Tell me a little bit about the community that this home is located in.
This community is great. We are close by to the town of Windermere in the Orange County in Florida, surrounded by nature and the Butler chain of lakes.
Great. Thank you. Another question that a possible person's interested in buying will be retail area. So tell me a little bit about the shopping areas. For example, is there a Home Goods in the area?
Oh yes, of course. Close by you can find all kind of fine dining, restaurants, shopping areas, as Guy mentioned. We are close by also to the main venues and even a half a mile of the Windermere Elementary School.
Excellent. Question, let me ask you a little about where's the property address, just so I know exactly where it's located at?
The property is located at 3466 Bay Meadow Court in Windermere, Florida.
Another question, how many bedrooms does the property have?
It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single-story family home in a 1 acre plus lot in a cul-de-sac, and it is 2,683 square feet.
Excellent, great. Thank you, Katherine. We're going to preview the property right now, and please take a look at the wonderful nature of the property. I think one of the most best part of the property is really it's a large lot for the area. It's close by to a lot of retail venue areas, great arteries to get to anywhere from downtown Orlando to all the theme parks, right?
Exactly. Also, if you are enthusiastic about the outdoor living, including the fishing, boating, there are many places surround this area that you and your family may enjoy.
Okay. Excellent. So please enjoy the preview of this property. thank you for taking your time and previewing the property. I want to thank you very much, and I'd like to thank Katherine Figueroa for giving us the opportunity to share this great listing that she has. If you would like to physically visit the property and see it, please get in contact with Katherine Figueroa. Katherine, what would be the best way for her to get in contact with you to schedule an appointment to see this beautiful home?
The best way to contact me is even call me or text me to my cell phone. That is 407-417-4227. Also, you can reach me through my website. That is katherinefigueroa.com.
Thank you, Katherine, for sharing this property with us. And reach out to Katherine if you would like to see the property yourself and do a physical viewing of the property. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed the preview of the home.